How to redirect GoDaddy domain to another website. Sometimes a certain domain name might have changed, and your old users might still be going on the older website. In that case, you might want to forward the domain to the new domain. And you have a GoDaddy domain, right? So how do you do it? So open your browser and go to godaddy.com, then make sure you log into your account. On the top left, go to My Account, and under Quick Links, select the option that says Domain. You will be taken to Domain Portfolio. Over here, you will be able to see a list of your registered domains. You simply want to select that particular domain. After you select it, you'll find an option under the DNS tab. So go to DNS, select the option that says Forwarding. Once you've done that, you can simply point out the DNS server of the new domain that you want the old users to be redirected to. Then after that, your domain will be successfully forwarded to the newer version. Still, you can redirect your old GoDaddy domain to a newer version. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.